granted that World War I began in a bit of has some conspiracy roots to it, and that's before we had modern media, even before films.
Right.
So
yeah.
So there must be something deeper within us that's not so much slave to media that we still want to make this happen.
Right, because conspiracy theories go all the way back to
Exit dive.
Rome, right? The plot to kill Caesar and so forth.
Your favorite's Taco Bell, so I'm assuming you're not a vegetarian.
No, I'm not.
And yet, you didn't mind the taste experience that you had when you had that mashup of the taco meat and the potatoes. So I'm wondering if Taco Bell could be instrumental in perhaps getting folks off of
Red light run.
Of his career, and Tom Brady would have been in that same position,
Red light run.
shaking his head.
Because you understand the system and will be able to work within the system
No,
to
stop.
make my life better from. But this one is really super important. And the Fatterman Oz is another Bell one.
Oh my God, I know.
That one is.
Yeah, that was no turn on red.
That's the line. It doesn't even matter.
What? Whoa! What the hell? Well, left turn regret.
Something I can look at that file and know who I was. I want to be a good anthropologist in my life.
Oh, all right. Now, when you go back,
I think that may have been red light run. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Really? Pedestrian. Pedestrian. That's how the song goes. Why would you attempt to cross there? It's dumb. Red light run, I think. Really? No turn on red? The fuck, dude?
Also, we could repurpose that little bit there and put it on YouTube as a get ready with me. Just like 30 seconds of me putting my jacket on.
Where is that British puff?
There was.
The BTL.
I'll put a bit of B-roll in so you can see. I
Red light run.
It literally had like a Man
That's
United flag.
pretty bad one.
Union Jacks everywhere.
Time that we're going to start 6-7. We're going to start at 8. We're going to start at 8 Central. That's 9 Eastern. Some things will already have been decided. We're going to go over what's been decided. We're going to talk about contentious
what was that
races.
up there?
We're going to be your...
Red light run. No stop. Nissan driver. Red light run. Nissan driver. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. I think that's red light run.
The sunlight, and that means that's why we have a flu season, because we're all breaking down.
There's a
toxic
car
cells,
there.
and that's what
Hello?
looks like viruses and like.
Fun with it and get some drama out of it. But I think we're looking at a lot.
Yeah, that was red light run really badly.
Or the Astros get
never even existed
Hello?
is a true story.
Why didn't you go for the left lane when you pulled out if you're making a left? Yeah, now you're gonna hold me up because it's clear for me to go.
Of course.
Yeah, I could have been on my way, but no, I gotta wait for your dumb ass. And now he's blocking traffic from going that way. Yeah, perfect. I hate my life. Fuck my life. Why? What? Makes no sense for you to be a good Samaritan, but okay. Padumstrian, padumstrian, padum dum 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 dumstrian. I'll debate that one.
Saying they're doing it or showing they're doing it, but as opposed to really
they're moving,
like
screw brew.
Like you were going through stuff.
Really?
So you would just go through the motions, and then you would
mistakes, and finally it was a wake up call. And I got my hormones checked.
Jeez, hello, Toyo turd.
Saved my marriage, my relationship.
Messel left. No stop. No stop up there. You never stopped. What the fuck? Really? I don't think the van stopped.
Fucking kicked out, and we're calling the cops, and we're apologizing to the family, and we're making restitution.
Really, run.
They're never.
But they were totally cool. Mom and pop type of place, right on the corner. Across
No stop up there. No, I don't think those last two cars stopped.
Whatever that place is, I'm gonna find.
Because. Why are we going so slow? We're barely going 30. It's 65 here, and there's a truck barreling right behind me, and come on. Can't pick up the pace, Screwbaroo.
Right.
You haven't.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on I-81 south of Syracuse and we're well into the month of November where they're not allowed to be there. No, no, no. You cannot be there. It's not allowed. Sorry. Sucks to be you. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! And click on the videos that are on the screen right now because, you know, they want you to watch them, so watch them. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Okay, bye.